Welcome back everyone to my channel, and today we are going to analyze Cardano, the SingularityNET, Hedera Hashgraph, and QuantStamp. I speak a lot about them on my channel, so feel free to check out some of my other videos, learn about the cryptocurrencies and the stocks that I believe that do or do not have potential, and see some of my responses to Charles Hoskinson, for example, on Hedera Hashgraph, and why he is very wrong and inaccurate about them. So if this is your first time here, make sure you tap that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and let's just jump into it. So Cardano right now has been one of the most best performing cryptocurrencies, and they literally have climbed to the 3rd spot. And my favorite investment, the SingularityNET, my favorite project, is working hand in hand with Cardano. That's why we are going to speak about them. Hedera Hashgraph at the end of this video, they are working with QuantStamp, so that's why we are going to speak about them too as well. Cardano literally is the best performing asset on CoinDesk 20, literally outperforming Bitcoin, Atom, Algo, so many different great cryptocurrencies. Cardano has had an amazing February, and the SingularityNET again is working hand in hand with them. So right now, this is what the chart is looking like for Cardano. So far, it's holding up exactly how we covered it a couple days ago. I told y'all expect it to keep going up, and that I do not think it's going to go down below that red line, that support at $1, and it just consolidated there and went up. So right now, what is going to happen? I believe there is a possibility that it comes back down a little bit and retests $1.15 and then goes back up. That is a very big possibility actually. But the worst case scenario with Cardano is it comes back down to $1 around there, consolidates one more time because it acted as a support and a resistance in February, and then goes back up. But below $1, I still hold that prediction true that we will not see below $1 for Cardano anytime soon, unless like the whole market dumps for a while. This is going to keep doing great things because they are partnering up with great projects like the SingularityNET, and we have been going up and up for the past couple weeks, and we have tripled since literally January. So this project as well has performed outstanding in February, and hopefully March and April and the whole year has great things in store for this. But for the short term, we have made higher lows after higher lows. So 4 times we have made like a stair pattern. We just go up, 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 and that's a good bullish signal. Now, if we can pass 22 cents and actually keep going up, expect it to break the 30-cent mark that we hit a couple weeks ago. But a second possibility is that it consolidates a little bit for a couple more weeks and then continues up, because this 20-cent range has been a very big consolidating range. But worst case scenario, it might come back down to around 12-13 cents just for a second and then go back up just like it did, because it's just trying to push out all the short-term investors, guys. I had a comment about me every time I make a good video about the SingularityNET, it pumps up the price. Well, that's not what I'm trying to do, guys. I'm trying to build a foundation of long-term investors for AGI. So 100,000 long-term investors is better than 10 million short-term investors. So the next one we are going to speak about is Hedera Hashgraph. And this one is one of my favorites as well, because from the corporate standpoint, they literally have connections everywhere. And compared to Cardano, they actually are more impressive in that sense because they are partnered up with Google, IBM. Cardano has that stigma against corporations, against centralized entities. So Cardano does not want to work with them, but Hedera Hashgraph does. And that's where I see the value of them. Their technology is great. And no matter what anyone else says, only time will tell. And by the end of 2021, we will see where this one is at. And I believe it will have an amazing year. You do too. This chart is messy, yes, but it is playing out exactly how we called it. It bounced off of that support line about 4 times, and it is a very good signal because now we are heading up. And I believe that we will not see 8 cents again with Hedera Hashgraph just because of their news, of their progress with all their partnerships with the Standard Bank, the largest bank in Africa. And as long as they keep up this pace, they will be doing great. QuantStamp is working with Hedera Hashgraph as well, and right now they are very undervalued. So all time they can literally 20x and not even reach their all-time high. So that is the type of risk reward you are looking at with this project, and their market cap is $31 million only. They are partnered up with the World Economic Forum, Hedera Hashgraph, so many other things that QuantStamp does, and they are also servicing Cardano, Ethereum, Chainlink, so many different projects QuantStamp is working with. If you do not know what they do or who they are, I will leave a link to another video explaining just that on the screen right now. But the main support that you need to be looking at is 3 cents because it acted as a major resistance in 2020. So now, if it consolidates a little bit and goes up, that's a great signal. But if it does go down to 3 cents again and then goes up again, that is nothing to worry about, especially if you're a long-term investor, guys. You need to have a long-term perspective because if you try to play everything short-term, you're just going to get scared, you're going to sell at a loss, and then you're just going to hate yourself for it. My channel is all about future finance, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. So if you have not yet already, make sure you tap that subscribe button and like this video so more people can learn about these great projects, and check out some of my other videos. Again, I appreciate you all for watching up until this point, and Mr. Mufleh out.